Let's talk about that upward movement in shares yesterday. Bralirwa, for instance, hitting a new price record of 417 Rwandese francs. What is controlling activity right now? Shehzad, good morning. Can you hear me? Yes, go ahead.
Well, yes. In fact, thank you very much. Yes, thank you very much for your question. In fact, I would say before I start, I would say that the Rwanda capital market is very new. With the first IPO in 2010, Bralirwa happened. Since then, the IPO price was 136. Now it's 420. It has done very well. And the main reason for Bralirwa doing very, very well is that people have confidence in Bralirwa. And it is a international company with good corporate governance, with good cash flow, free cash flows. They are paying dividends very well, and everybody is happy with that. Hello?
The other major one is Bank of Kigali. Yes, Bank of Kigali yesterday closed at 130 Rwandese francs. What do investors think about this counter?
Yeah. Sorry. In fact, the Bank of Kigali counter is quite a special one in the sense that we need to understand the reason why Bank of Kigali was listed and their strategy in the future. As compared with Bralirwa, which is operating in a mature economy, in mature sector, Bank of Kigali was facing actual competition, wanted to raise funds to invest in the long term. And this is, I believe, local investors did not quite catch. They wanted to have the same experience with Bralirwa, that is buying shares at 135 IPO price, making quick money, and then sell them. So this is an issue. I believe that Beka was getting money on the market to invest in the long term. So Beka is I will say, a Vision 2020 counter, and we have to wait a bit more to see, to get the benefit of the investment.
All right, Shehzad, tell me, the market in Kigali, the Rwanda Stock Exchange, is still very relatively new compared to the other markets in the region. How do you think it's growing from somebody who plays in it, and what are the investors' expectations?
I think, in my opinion, we have a very good future in the capital market in Rwanda because there is a very strong leadership and a strong willingness from the government and all the authorities to boost the country to be a financial hub. And I believe that it all starts with a strong capital market. In fact, it is true that the capital market in Rwanda is new, but the steps that have been taken have been very quick in the sense that in 1 year, 2 companies have been listed. We have 3 cross-listed companies. Well, due to corporate governance issues and low financial literacy, the government had to stop the speed of listing companies. But we believe that in the next 5 years, there will be at least 10 or 15 companies being listed, and the future is bright. Yeah.